In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now for this you will need a cable, and you want to plug it into your computer. And there, it's connected to our phone. So there we go. And once it's connected, you'll want to turn it off, so let's pull down our notification. Select the power button right here and choose power off, and then press on it again. Now once you do so, you will see that the screen turns off and you will feel a vibration. Once you feel that vibration, you want to start holding power key and volume up at the same time. There we go, there was the vibration. Now, if nothing shows up on the screen for like 10 to 20 seconds, you can let go of those keys and start holding them again like so. But for me, as you've seen, it showed up with the Samsung Galaxy logo, so I didn't need to do so. Now, once you're in the recovery mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate through this menu. Touchscreen doesn't actually work, as you can see. And using volume keys, you can scroll up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So let's scroll down to wipe cache partition. Confirm it, select yes, confirm that, and as you can see at the bottom you should see cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So power key once again, and this will take us back to Android. Additionally, while it's rebooting, we can also unplug it, because for some reason if you keep it plugged in, it starts giving us some like warning with some weird sound. I'm not sure why, so it's just easier to unplug it. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.